back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, we've got some pasta here, pasta cheesebake with tuna, mushrooms and tomato sauce. It's very, very easy. It's absolutely delicious. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we're going to need. Okay, let's take a look at these ingredients. So, pasta cooked. Now you can use any pasta you want, up to you. I'm using farfalle, like the bow type or butterfly. There's, maybe 150 grams of cooked pasta there, 1 can of tomatoes, 400 ml, maybe 2 cups of a cheddar cheese, which we're going to put on the top. You could be using a mozzarella if you wanted. 135 grams of tomato paste. I don't know what that is, half a cup of chopped olives. There's 3 cans of tuna there, which are those kind of small, little things. By the way, all of the ingredients and amounts are going to be in the text below. 1 tablespoon of garlic chopped. Here I've got some pickled jalapenos. You don't have to add that. This is completely optional. That's going to add a nice little spice to it. There's probably half a cup there. Mushrooms, about 200 grams I think there, roughly chopped. 1 large onion, which I've cut really small. You can slice it, chop it however you want. And there I've got 3 teaspoons of oregano. We're going to start this off with a touch of olive oil. We're going to need our oven on, we're going to need a pan, and we need some salt and pepper. Let's go and do it. So here's my pan. I've got some olive oil in there. You could be using a different type of oil if you wanted to. We're going to start off by dropping in that onion, the garlic, and we'll get those olives in now, and the optional jalapenos. Let's hit this with a nice big pinch of black pepper. The same with salt. And then we're going to go on a kind of fairly lively heat for about 3 minutes. Okay, these are coming together really nicely. And so at this stage we're going to drop in our fresh white mushrooms. And simply we're going to go for another 2 to 3 minutes on this lively heat. Wonderful. Now we're going to go in with our tuna, our canned tuna, and our dried herb. I'm using oregano, but you could be using something else, couldn't you? Like one of those mixed Italian herbs, dried basil, tarragon, rosemary, thyme. Up to you. Okay, 2 more minutes on this lively heat, working and breaking down our tuna. Okay, so now let's get the heat down to just below a medium. This is looking absolutely fabulous. We're now going to add in that 1 can of tomatoes, which were whole. I've chopped them. And then the 135 grams of tomato paste, in that goes. Give this a little mix. What we're going to do next, we're going to pop the lid on this for about 5 or 6 minutes. Let them tomatoes do their thing, cook down a bit. And then we're ready to add our pasta, your pasta of choice. So have your pasta cooked. We're going to give that a mix, and then we're going to get it into an oven tray, top it with cheese, bang it in the oven, really high heat. It's going to come out, it's going to be absolutely marvellous. Lid on, see in about 5 minutes. Okay, off comes the lid, out goes the steam. That is looking absolutely wonderful. Just change spoon, we're going to put the pasta in now. We're going to need something like this. Check that for salt. It's going to be great for me. I'm now going to grab our cooked pasta and introduce that into the mix. We can turn the heat off now. Give this a good mix. And then we're going to, like I say, put this into the oven. So I'll see you at the table in a moment. Okay, so as you can see, I've now got the pasta mixture into an oven-proof dish. I'm using glass. You can use metal or ceramic, long as it can go into the oven. That's about, I don't know, 3-4 centimeters thick. You can do it, thinner or thicker if you want. Simply, we're going to grab our cheese of choice. I'm using, like I said, a cheddar today, but mozzarella would work nicely. We're going to put this on. Now, get your oven on full blast, maximum heat. Everything here is cooked. You know what we're looking for. We just need to melt that cheese down. It's all done already. So maximum heat. This is going to go into my oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. We just need to brown that off and it's done. See you then. Okay, and there you go. Nice and golden brown, beautiful. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do click that bell icon below for notifications. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.